How to turn off notifications in Monopoly Go. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can turn off notifications in Monopoly Go. For that, open the Monopoly Go app on your device. If you don't have this application, you can head over to Play Store or App Store in order to download and install this. Now, if you want to turn off the notifications in Monopoly Go, tap on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. From here, tap on the settings option. Now, find the option that says notifications. As you can see, notifications is currently turned on. You can simply tap on this toggle button and then toggle off the push notifications. Once that is done, you will no longer receive the notifications. Now, if you want to disable the in-game notifications as well, toggle off this option. Now, if you only want to disable the notifications during quiet hours, you can only toggle on this option of quiet hours. You can set your start and end time over here by tapping on this pencil icon, and this is how you can turn off notifications in Monopoly Go. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.